I got some stuff from Myntra end of season sale and I'm excited to check everything out because I got some really great discounts. Let's see what all I got. Hi guys, I'm Mahi. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we're going to talk about everything I bought from Myntra's end of season sale. We have suit sets, we have bags, dresses, tops, and some random things. So without further ado, let's start with the video. So as you all know that H&M is available on Myntra and I finally got this bag. I saw this bag in Mumbai H&M store and I fell in love, but this one is for like 2200, okay, 2300. But और H&M की वेबसाइट पे भी ये सेल में था, but end of season सेल में मिंत्रा पे सेल पे आया. I got this around 1800 rupees में, but still 400-500 रुपए का डिस्काउंट मिला guys, which is so cool. But this bag is so freaking smart. I absolutely love it. Like, look how hot this bag is, and I'm wearing my night suit shorts, so ignore that. But yeah, this is so cool, and this one's available in two more colors, and I'm gonna be tagging everything down below. But yes, this one has my heart. It's animal printed, and this thick gold chain is just so sexy. I absolutely love it. Can't wait to use it. Next thing that I picked up is this top that I'm wearing. It's like a halter neck top. This one is from a brand called Uptowny. It's kind of backless and it's a crop top. It's very affordable. I think जो Uptowny tops बनाता है, all of these are polyester, but I don't mind wearing it. You can see I'm wearing size small. It is a little body hugging, so I think if you don't like such kind of vibe, you can, size up a little. Overall, I love the style. Like, it's like a good basic black top to have. You can obviously, dress it up and dress it down as per your liking. Next top that I got is also from Uptowny and it is so cute. Like, इस style में ना उन्होंने इतने टॉप्स बनाए हैं, like every print possible. This one has to be my favorite because this one has like hearts on it. Look how pretty. You can see it in the try on how it looks. It has like this, like ruching boat neck style going on. Absolutely love it. I just saw this and I fell in love. Like, it has like hearts on it. Hearts, okay? I have hearts on myself, like, tattooed. But seriously, I love this top and I thought the price point is also pretty good. Also, I want to tell you कि अपटाउनी की वेबसाइट पे भी ना सेल चलती रहती है, तो उसमें sometimes they sell like 3 tops for 999, so एक टॉप काफ़ी सस्ता पड़ जाता है. So I'm gonna link these tops from Uptowny's website also, so make sure you check out everything in the description box below. Okay, next thing that I got is a suit set. I got this in like a good discount, you guys. This one is from this brand called Varanga and I paid 899 rupees for this like complete suit set, and it's like in this beautiful powder blue color. Look, and it has like crinkled fabric as well. Let's see how the kurta looks like. Okay, this is how the kurta looks like. Very simple, like minimal lace work going on all over. It's like sides and bottom, and you have some on the neckline as well, and these steps as well. I'm very excited to try this क्योंकि मुझे ना बहुत क्यूट लगता है ऐसे स्ट्रैपी कुर्ता सेट्स, एंड यू आर गेटिंग लाइक अ मैचिंग palazzo pants with it. This one is also in like crinkled fabric. Okay, so the dupatta is in chiffon and it has this really beautiful kinari lace work going on. How pretty is that? I absolutely love such detailing. And in just 899, I found this suit. I can't believe it. You can see the proper try on either side. And yes, everything is linked down below. So make sure that you check it out. I have some more products that I haven't even opened yet. Okay, next product that I have is this the cutest t-shirt. Okay, I love oversized t-shirts, I'm not gonna lie, but this trend of very body hugging crop t-shirts is back. I continuously watch Friends, ठीक है, मेरा खाने के टाइम वो Friends series चलती रहती है and Rachel has worn such t-shirts. दोबारा से ट्रेंड वापस आ रहा है, like such snuggy. H&M is making some super cute graphic ones, and I got this one in lemon yellow, and it just reminds me of Italy. So it says La Piazza Italia, and it just looks so cute to me because I am obsessed with lemon yellow right now. Like, I made lemon yellow the color of the season for myself, like literally, and this is so cute. You can see how it looks. I have ordered size small in it. Next thing that I ordered is this black dress with like pleated detailing, and this one is like pure polyester. So I am not sure if I want to keep it, but I paid just 460 rupees for this dress. So I'm gonna wear it, like whenever try nahi kiya, but I'm gonna try and put the try on here, and you let me know in the comments if this is like worth keeping and if it looks nice. Because see, samne se na, even if it's polyester, it doesn't look cheap. Like sometimes polyester में लगता है कि बहुत सस्ता कपड़ा पहना हुआ है तुमने, which actually it is, but this one doesn't look cheap. The way it's made, like the pleats are very classy and beautiful. Let's see how it looks. I'm gonna give you a proper try on, but yeah, for the price it was like super affordable. इसका MRP तो इन्होंने 2500 रुपये लिखा हुआ है, but I got it for like 450 for 80 rupees. Let's open more packages. This is also a suit set, I think. Beautiful color. Let's see. Okay, this also has the dupatta. Guys, this is how the kurta looks like. It looks very simple, right? But it has this dory thing पीछे, and you can tighten it like to fit perfectly. मुझे लगता है ना ये बहुत ही ज़्यादा सुंदर लगेगा, and it's like short kurta. मैं तुम्हें दिखाती हूँ. It comes with this sharara pants. Look how pretty. Like the whole set is made. Okay, it's not sharara, it's actually skirt. So basically you're getting skirt, short kurta and a dupatta. I would love to style it with like a lot of my silver jewelry. Are you kidding me? It's gonna look so pretty. And this is how it looks like. This is the skirt, and the whole set is in chiffon. And uske niche you're getting the lining and all. Look at the dupatta, guys. This is such a cute dupatta. This is like the scallop cut going on, and how pretty. This is also like silver detailing here. So definitely silver oxidized jewelry is gonna rock with this outfit. You can see the styling and everything on the screen. Like, my god, I don't even remember the price now, but I'll check it out in the app and put it on the screen. But this is so pretty. I love it. Like the color is also super pretty, and Navratri की तैयारी तो शुरू हो गई हैं. So I think this is gonna look super pretty and different on Navratri. Like it's simple, subtle. You can amp it up with like a lot of silver jewelry. So I'm very excited to style this. Let's see what we have next. Okay. So I ordered this cord set from Sassafras. It's in the like this cotton fabric. Like it's so good. Like it looked so good to me on like the app. This is how the pants are. See, I think these are gonna look really nice and summer appropriate. Look closely. इसपे ना ऐसे self embroidery work हुआ हुआ है, and yeah, और मुझे लग रहा है लेंथ भी ठीक लगी. Like even if I want to wear it with like kitten heels, so it should look nice. And this is how the top is. This is again like a sort of peplum style, and I just feel that it's gonna look super classy and smart. So I'm gonna try this and we'll see how it looks. Let me know what do you think. So we have two more things left. First is this one. This is actually a tote bag. I have high hopes from it. My old tote bag is old now and I wanted a new one, and this one was available at a good discount. Like I paid 1200 rupees for this, and it's brown, and look at the texture. It looks like a big chocolate to me. This is how it looks. I love it, guys. This is like gold chain detailing here. I love the size and color of it. You let me know if I should keep this or not, because I have one more in my wish list. This one from H&M. I know this is a little bit expensive, but my birthday is coming, so YOLO. Anyway, let me know if I should just keep this one or go for this H&M one. Like, I just want to buy one big bag, but this one is still pretty good if you're looking for a budget friendly bag. Like in 1200, this is such a smart looking bag. Brownie nice with black, beige. Like, there are a lot of colors available, and it's such a good size bag. I feel love it, and I know a lot of you girls love to put charms around, so you have like a lot of space here for that as well. The last thing that I got is this body mist from Bath and Body Works. It's on the horizon and it smells so good. Like, it smells very fresh and just beautiful. It smells beautiful. I don't know, how to explain perfumes to people, but I can just tell if you like, smelling fresh and just beautiful, just go for this one. So this retails for 23 or 2400, but Bath and Body का offers था, and I got it for 899. like 900 रुपये में मुझे पूरा मिला है, नहीं तो उनका travel वाली bottle आती है. And this is just so fresh. Like, it stays for like long hours also. I love this a lot. And yeah, this was it about today's video. Let me know which one was your favorite product, and please help me decide. तो मैंने एक दो products के बारे में तुमसे पूछा है ना कि मुझे रखना चाहिए कि नहीं. Let me know in the comments. And yeah, I'll see you guys super soon in my next video.